Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the TH100 trading system. All right, now the TH100 trading system is a technical trading approach that focuses on identifying high probability trade setups, right? Trend setups using a combination of indicators and price action. So the system typically uses multiple indicators to confirm trend direction, including moving averages. All right, moving averages is actually very important indicator, a popular one for that matter. And for a trader who is paying attention to trend direction, moving average can actually make the job easier. All right, and then you can also use momentum based tools. All right, momentum based. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean you must use the stochastic. All right, but of course you combine moving averages and then momentum based indicators. Take for example, let's just say we want to use the RSI for example. Now let's just remove this. Okay, okay, so the indicator, um rather the system, the trading system, has a goal to filter out weak signals and focus only on strong market moves. So traders using this system look for alignment between indicators, all right, before taking a trade. So when the trend direction, the momentum, and the price structure all agree, remember these three things, okay? Trend direction, momentum, and price structure. These are the three things that you want to make sure aligns before you take a trade. So for example, we have a bearish trend direction. That is one. This has been established. Then as for momentum, let's say at this point, the RSI was already, let us give the RSI a 50 level. Let's give the RSI a 50 level quickly. Okay, so at this point the RSI was dropping below the 50 level. All right, it didn't enter overbought necessarily, but it was dropping below the 50 level consistently, and you can see that that's a sign for bearish momentum. Okay, so we have the momentum established, we have the trend direction established. Then now we have to ensure that our price structure is also established, right? We can see that we consistently have lower highs and lower lows, right? Consistently. Okay, so even if it is at this point that we enter a sell, we would have been able to catch some good pips all the way down to this point, right? So basically ensure that your trend direction, momentum, and price structure all aligns. Okay, the TH100 system also emphasizes consistency and discipline. Instead of taking every signal, traders are encouraged to follow strict rules and only act when all conditions are met. In summary, the TH100 trading system is designed for traders who prefer a rules-based approach with multiple confirmations before entering the market. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.